Hi guys, you are welcome. So in this video we want to solve for the inverse of f of x, given f of x equals x raised to the power 3 divided by 3 plus x squared plus x. So finding the inverse of f of x, so this is one of the interesting functional equation I've seen. Well, in this video we will be solving this step by step, and this is just a step-by-step guide to solve this. So let's say solution. The first step is we must understand the type of function we want to deal with. So looking at the function, so we will observe that this is a cubic polynomial. So, and why is because the degree of variable, the highest degree of variable here is 3, so which is x raised to the power 3. So looking at this 3 above, which is the power, but we can get a simple algebraic expression of f of x, which will be in general form of solving cubic equation. So what we have to do now is to kind of understand and have the idea of the domain and monotonicity of this. So if the monotone and maybe its concept of domain. So but yeah, the first step is to let us consider finding the derivative of the function. So here, so our given function is f of x equals x raised to the power 3 divided by 3 plus x raised to the power 2 plus x. All right, so then the derivative, the first derivative of this will be 3x squared divided by 3 plus 2x plus 1. We know this, we cancel out this, so we have f prime of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. All right, so by factorizing, so we are going to have f prime of x equals x squared. So we have x plus 1 here. So then we are going to have, let's factorize x. There was left here, we have x plus 1. Then here we have factorize the common factor. Then we have x plus 1. Therefore, we have f prime of x to be x plus 1 squared. So this tells us that for every f prime of x greater than or equals 0, that is true for all value of x. So for example now, if x equals minus 1 and it continues like that, you know this is going to be positive, greater than or equal to 0. So the least value will be minus 1, so because this is the value that will turn this derivative to 0. So if you plug minus 1 here, you are going to have is 0. 0 squared is 0. So now at x equals minus 1, so this is the only this is the only where we have our f prime of x to be equal to 0, right? So we are going to have f of 1. So let's substitute into the function minus 1 cube, that is divided by 3, right, plus minus 1 square plus minus 1. So then we have f of 1 equals minus 1 cube, we have minus 1 divided by 3, right? So then we have minus 1 squared, that is plus 1. Then we have minus 1. This we cancel out this. So we have f of 1 equals minus 1 divided by 3. All right. So however, remember the derivative for x equals minus 1, so is the 0. So at a simple point, so only a point at which x equals minus 1, its derivative is equal to 0. So for every of the value, so you will observe this is increasing positive, right? So we call it a monotone increasing, right? So that is because the f of x increases, and it is one-to-one function. So, and if f prime of x will also be positive. So since we've tried to understand the domain now, so now let's move forward by finding the f prime of x, so of the given function. So to do that, we have to let our f of x equals y. If our f of x equals y, then our f of x is x squared divided by 3 plus x squared plus x equals y, right? So this is simply also means that our x equals f prime of y. All right, so now let's go back to this. We are going to have, if we multiply throughout by 3, we are going to have 3 x cubed divided by 3 plus 3 x squared plus 3x equals 3y. So this will cancel out this. We have x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x equals 3. All right, so adding 1 to both sides. So, and the reason why we want to add 1 is because we want to have a cube of the sum, a cube of the sum. So adding 1, we are going to have x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x, then add 1. So also we have 3, this one is 3y, so we have 3y plus 1. All right, so this expression, so using Pascal, by applying Pascal triangle expansion, you observe that this is the expansion of x plus 1 raised to power 3. All right, so you know Pascal triangle, so equals 1 plus 3y. So now we have to make x the subject of the formula, and to do that we need to take the cube root of both sides to cancel this cube. Let's do that. So we have cube root of x plus 1 cube equals cube root of 1 plus 3y. So we know this will cancel out this, right? So we have x plus 1 equals cube root of 1 plus 3y. All right, so now let's try to subtract, to make x to a formula by subtracting 1 from both sides. So we have x plus 1 minus 1 equals cube root of 1 plus 3y minus 1. This will cancel out this, right? So we will have our x to be equals cube root of 1 plus 3y minus 1. However, let's recall that our x equals f prime of y, right? So by replacing y with x, so we are going to have f prime of y equals minus 1 plus 3 cube root of 1 plus 3y, right? So therefore the inverse of f of x, so which is f prime of x, equals minus 1 plus 3 cube root of 1 plus 3x. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Mathmetrics for latest and daily matrix, exam shortcuts, and brain teaser question. Thank you for watching.